Hello lovely people, and welcome back to How Mama Made It. My name is Marius, and in this video I will share with you my mom's recipe for potato salad. To start the recipe, I have here a pot of boiling water, which I'm gonna put on a very low gentle simmer because I don't want to destroy these eggs like I did in my first video of the series, my mom's deviled eggs. And I'm gonna gently put in 6 eggs. I need them hard boiled. I shall boil the eggs for somewhere between 8 and 10 minutes. Now that the eggs are boiled, I will take them out and add them to a pot of very cold water. And this time I cracked only 1 egg while boiling them, not all of them. I will take each egg and make sure to make a small crack in the shell. It helps with peeling. I have here 1 kilogram of baby potatoes, which I will boil. I won't peel them because, you know, I'm too lazy to do that. But anyway, I will take the potatoes and add them to a big pot. I'm gonna cover them with cold water. That should do it. I will add a generous pinch of salt to the pot. The potatoes will absorb the salt that they need. Put them on the stove, cover them, and proceed by boiling them. And in this time I will get on with the rest of the ingredients. I will start with about 2, 4, 7 spring onions, and I'm gonna use the white part and the green part. I'm adding so much onion because I love onion, and if you don't have spring onions, you can definitely use red onions. You can replace the raw onion with pickled onion if you wish. If you have, why not? Or add less spring onion and some pickled onion. You can basically do whatever you want with this recipe. Spring onion done. I will add it to a bowl so it's easier for me to use the chopping board. Next ingredient, I have 5 pickled cucumbers. These are pickled in brine, and it's a garlic and dill pickle. But you can use whichever pickle you like, or whichever pickle you have. This is home cooking, and you can use the ingredients that you have around the house. Just slice the potato. I'll slice the pickles, the cucumbers. The pickles go on top of the onion. They will end up in the same place anyway. And because it's spring here in London, I will use some radishes for these recipes. My mom used to do this recipe in winter time, so radishes weren't part of the ingredient list. How are the baby potatoes doing? They almost started to boil. Just slice the radishes the way you want to. You can eat this potato salad the moment you make it, or you can make it in advance and keep it in the fridge. In my house, it never lasts that long because we love potatoes. If I could eat potatoes every day, I would. And I can. And I am. I will set my chopped vegetables on the side, and I will proceed with peeling the eggs. See how easy they peel? That's why I like to put the eggs in boiling water. And when they are boiled, take them out and put them in cold water. Like a glove. Coming down. To make the dressing for the potato salad, I will need to take out one yolk. Or should I take out two? I'm gonna scoop two yolks out. Add a pinch of salt, not too much because the mustard is also salty. And I will quickly mash the yolk. You can grate it if you want. I can't be asked, like always. Add a generous pinch of black pepper and about 2 tablespoons of mustard. If you like mustard, add as much as you want. We will taste it at the end anyway, and if we feel after we combine all the ingredients it needs more mustard or it needs more vinegar, we can add it then, you know. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, that's it. I know that many potato salad recipes ask for sugar. I don't do that, I don't understand it. This is my mom's recipe, so this is how she did it, this is how I'm doing it. Sunflower oil, slowly drizzle in and mix like a mayo. I think I will add about from 100 to 150 milliliters of oil. Alright, I would say that this is about 100 milliliters of oil. The potatoes are boiled. Scoop out the potatoes. I think that I can manage the heat of the potato, but if you can't, just leave them to cool down slightly and then cut them into bite-sized pieces like this, as you can see, or whatever shape you want. You can peel them if you want. I won't. And the last potato. And I will add my potatoes to the bowl. Proceed with adding my dressing. This is the mustard oil, dressing, vinegar, egg yolk, whatever. By the look of it, I don't think that it's enough oil in it, but we'll give it a go. Oh no, it's perfect. Now we will add, no, I will add the eggs next because the potatoes are still a little bit hot while they cool down and absorb some of the dressing. I will just slice the eggs, cut them the way you want to. You can also use a chopping board. And that's the last egg. Give them another mix. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and a little bit more mustard. Now go in with your prepared vegetables. And the last addition is pitted black olives. You can use unpitted olives. I'm gonna do a 2-spoon maneuver here and combine all the ingredients. And that's all mixed up. In Romania we call this Oriental Salad. For what reason, only God knows. Let's dish it up. My mouth is watering. I need a fork. And this, my lovely people, is my mom's potato salad. This is the potato salad I grew up with. And yeah, this is the potato salad I make. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to thank my mom in the comments. She is watching, I know, she's spying on everyone. So please do. And until next time, all the best!